How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Just open the Messenger app and as you can see here it is written end-to-end encrypted. So in order to remove this in Messenger, you need to first go to the settings from the three line at the top left corner. Here is the gear icon at the top that will access your settings page in Messenger. Tap on it, scroll down, and now tap on privacy and safety. Under security, you have seen end-to-end encrypted chat. Tap on it and go to security alerts. Here you have to tap in manage security alerts and make sure to toggle off all these buttons. Come back from here and when you go to that chat, at the top right it's the I like icon. Just tap on the I like icon at the top right corner. And as you can see that we don't find any option to remove end-to-end encrypted. Just what you can do here is you need to tap and hold this chat and tap on delete. Now tap on delete again. So by doing so you will remove the end-to-end encryption chat in Messenger, and when you open again there another chat, then you can easily normally have conversation with that person in Messenger. So I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.